I don't prefer the weight distribution of them personally. They are probably slightly easier than a homemade set of poi, or on par with a homemade set of poi, but not as, I mean, unless you have, like I have RSI, so for me, lightweight poi was really helpful. So if you have tendonitis or carpal tunnel or something like that, then lightweight poi can be really useful. But the handles on those double loop, which is, yeah, that's, I learned on that. And I've had like 13 major grips since I've been spinning, so it's very personal. You can learn. There's going to be as you move to a different prop, there'll be a learning curve moving to a different prop. I would say the industry standard these years, so like in the early years, that was the industry standard. I would say that changed probably in like 2008 or so, where it became like a single loop like this that people put around their fingers, because you can, when it's a single loop, you can move it around with more individual, like the double loop is just static more. Then it moved to probably knobs, I would say, in the last decade. So that's what the standard is these years. But that doesn't, there's nothing wrong with any particular thing that you're using. I would say, let's just see what your results are. And then as you want to, you can invest in something that's more, and also you'll know what you want more after you've spun more. You know, like you may be too early in your practice to even know what you like or what you don't like.